Okay, I'm taking a break from the digital concerts that I was going through on my list. This one had been there for a while, so I wanted to get to it as well. And this is from the Slavic Bazaar from 2015. I like the logo or the slogan that they have, and I think it is one that Dimash uh, demonstrates. Their slogan is through art to peace and mutual understanding. And I think Dimash shows very much how art and music can be used for promoting peace. The International Art Fair, or the Slavic Bazaar, was first held in 1992. It is dedicated to Slavic music, and it was organized by the Belarusian government, and they did get some financial aid from both Russia and Ukraine, which I kind of find interesting considering today's situation. Uh, but during the bazaar, the festival, young singers give two main performances on separate days, and then on the third day is a jury decision. On one day, they are asked to sing a song in the national language of their country. On the second day, they perform a song written by a composer from any Slavic country and in any Slavic language. And this one, they actually are backed by the National Concert Orchestra of Belarus. Uh, and then the final decision is made by an international jury of 10 people, and they're usually made up by winners of prior contests, former contestants, or celebrities. And the juries give awarded a point, and the point system is 0 to 10. And although historically they say a zero has never been given. And at the end of the second day, all of the points are combined. And then the grand prize winner is uh, announced. And then there are other placeholder winners as well. There were 42 countries: uh, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Brazil, Canada, Kazakhstan, Latvia, the Netherlands, Norway, Romania, Russia, Ukraine, and Sweden. And one of the highlights of there is the pop song performer contest. And there's a kind of a separate prize that's given on that one. And with that one, the contestants have to draw lots to determine what order they're going to perform in. The judges in 2015 represented Belarus, Brazil, the United Kingdom, Latvia, Russia, Serbia, Ukraine, Sweden, and I'm going to mispronounce this one, Azerbaijan. Please forgive me if you're from that country. On the first day, uh, Dimash performed Blizzard, and he got 89 out of the maximum 90 points. And on the second day, he sang SOS, and he got 86 out of 90 points. And his total at that point then was 175 out of possible 180. He was the highest scorer. And then on the Grand Prix finale day, when everything was going to be announced, he also performed the folk song Daddy Dowell, Daddy Dowell. He then was announced as the Grand Prix winner, and he also received a special Lyra Prize award for his pop song performance. Dimash became the first contestant from Kazakhstan to win the Grand Prix. And so, what I have for us tonight is his performances from that 2015, 10 years ago. He's really gone somewhere since then, but let's listen to that.
И Джахан Палыев. Встречайте, Димаш Кудайберген, Казахстан.
который год. И с тех пор отчет моих нечаянных потерь остановленный кого-то ждет. Опять метель и мается былое в темноте. Опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день. Ты меня не ведая, прости. На пороге долго не томись. Ведь теперь у нашей повторившейся любви станет сроком давности вся жизнь. Опять метель и мается былое в темноте. Опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день. За тобой, не закрывая дверь, я живу уже который год. И с тех пор отчет моих нечаянных потерь остановленный кого-то ждет. Остановленный кого-то ждет.
Ну, спасибо большое за теплый прием в Витебск.
Будет. Дайте поговорить с человеком. А вы знаете, 10. 89 баллов Димаш Куйдай. Димаш выходит на сцену конкурсант из Казахстана Димаш Кудайберген.
Pourquoi je vis, pourquoi je meurs, pourquoi je ris, pourquoi je pleure. Voici le SOS d'un terrien en détresse. J'ai vu qui se tient, c'est jamais le beau d'un nom. Je voudrais voler mon âne à la voix bergen. J'ai toujours cru de la vie avec le bon destiné. Je compte dans sa vie, tu mets à ma force. Je sens quelque chose qui m'attire, qui m'attire, qui m'attire pour les j'y crois comme des autres. Elle était notre monde. J'ai mieux eu pied sur terre. Si je me sentais toute la faune.
За 2 конкурсных дня 175. Димаш Кудайберген, Казахстан.
Now, I've skipped a couple of points on there with some other thing, but I will put the link for the full down in the description for you.
За представительницей этой страны. Луиза Нуркуатова после финала одна из первых поздравила земляка.
Славянский базар, он открывает новые имена во все страны СНГ. Для меня это очень большая честь, что я стал победителем такого престижного конкурса.
Very happy little
Решение
sister.
международного жюри конкурса специального приза «Лира» и диплома обладателя Гран-при 24-го международного конкурса исполнителя эстрадной песни «Витебск-2015» удостоен Димаш Кудайберген, Казахстан.
И конкурса исполнителей эстрадной песни «Витебск-2015».
Встречайте!
Жүзің бар он түрден жаяуайдай көркем. Есіме сен түскенде беу қарағым, қозғайсың қатып қалған ай іштің дертін. Қозғайсың қатып қалған ай іштің дертін. Жанымен менен достым қалғаның ба, мойны 후회되는
Гран-при конкурса исполнителей эстрадной песни «Витебск-2015» Димаш Кудайберген, Казахстан.
Okay, the original video is much longer. I had to cut out certain parts of it, but I will put the link down below. I've got some interview segments in there, and in day one, they've got his parents giving him some encouragement from the audience and so forth. But I wanted to, as long as I had to cut, I wanted to just get the performances themselves. And that is the performance or the festival that brought him to the attention of the I Am Singer producer. And we know what happened after that. So with this, I am going to say, well, at least where I am, it's 2:30 a.m. I am going to say good night, but I wish you all health, wealth, but above all, peace.